Riding a motorcycle means anything can happen in an instant. In today's video, we're looking at some of the most dangerous moments riders have faced. Sometimes, a split-second decision can save your life or lead to disaster. Let's learn from these moments and remember that safety should always be our top priority. This motorcyclist honks his horn at the oncoming car. The driver of the wrong minibus gets angry and does something he shouldn't do, and does his best to harm our motorcycle friend. Fortunately, in the rest of the video, our motorcycle friend manages to control his nerves. Lifting the front of the bike and having fun in this area closed to traffic is as dangerous as it is beautiful.
Damn it, I knew it. God, oh no. I knew it. God damn it. Oh God. Oh, that was bad. And I fell on my phone too. Hopefully, oh God. Oh no.
These acrobatics can definitely cause major damage. Please be careful. A motorist friend of ours who wants to accelerate in this beautiful weather cannot enter the bend with the motor. He drives with pleasure.
You alright?
Please continue your journey more calmly and slowly on unfamiliar roads. Such accidents can cause serious injuries. I think this friend of ours did not fully investigate the power of the new engine he bought, and has difficulty in controlling it. Fortunately, he survived this accident in a light way. While a motorcycle group is having a pleasant ride, a careless driver unfortunately causes a chain accident. This accident could have been more serious. Again, while a friend of ours is accelerating on an unfamiliar road, he has to leave himself on the ground without entering the bend in front of him. This friend unfortunately has a bad accident. This oil spilled on the asphalt causes a serious accident to our motorist friend. Get well soon. I think this friend of ours absent-mindedly crossed into the opposite lane and luckily had a less serious accident that could have been a disaster. Our friend, who was distracted while riding his motorcycle, could not enter the bend and had a small accident.
Oh shit!
Shit.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Fuck!
Oh.
You okay? You swear?
Yeah, dude, I'm good. Oh.
You hurting?
No, dude.
Oh, fuck.
It's a really bad and shocking accident.
Fuck. Well, finally.
This motorist does not see the signal of the red car, and it is against the rules to pass a car on the right side in Turkey. A friend of ours who can't control the engine has a violent accident. This herd is a herd of gazelles, and our friend unintentionally hits a gazelle, and unfortunately, the gazelle and our motorized friend have a big accident. If you like my video compilation and comments, please don't forget to like and subscribe.